Stop it,
Connor
Buns.
just said you're welcome for the cake on Twitter.
Penny.
Mr. Bear.
Buns.
I'm pretty.
Girl, you are ice cold.
Can I just use a polar bear? I'm carrot for you.
I'll swim across the deep blue sea for you.
Girl, you know you'll always have a place right in my arms.
Aw, looks like your third villain, Buns.
Oh, darn, that's always happening.
Get out of here.
Hey, I only have eyes for you. Read.
What the hell? Who are you?
I only have eyes for you. Read. We're having a play
We're
session.
having a puppet show.
Yay, puppet! Oh, this is Buns. What's yours name?
Hi, what's your name?
Ew, you're kind of
Barty.
cute.
Barty?
Ew, that's
Get
kind
a puppet. Look at his Hi there. I'm Mr. Polar Bear. I'm Buns.
You're queer. I'm Penny.
Fight me.
Actually, Penelope, but Penny for short.
Penny's a gay name.
Says the monkey.
Name farts. I'm Buns.
I only have eyes for you.
Hey, Polar Bear. I take after my good friend Mary. You wanna go out?
Ooh, stroking my face.
Hey, you're cheating on me. Stop it.
He's mine now. Sorry, I'm totally.
I only have eyes for you. Wait, how am I playing two puppets?
I don't know. I was thinking the same thing.
I'm a double person.
I am the master of all of you.
Oh my god.
I can dominate whoever.
Make it stop.
Fight me.
I'm normally 10 billion times bigger than you in reality.
Farts.
No, my guy's name is
My
Mordecai.
name is Mr.
Mordecai?
Bear. Hear me roar!
No, you like a rig.
Rigby.
Rigby.
I love that name. It's gonna be my dog.
That's what I said.
Yeah.
Isn't that the cutest name? Alright,
We're done.
say bye.
Bye.
See ya.
Jake doesn't.
I only have eyes for you.